Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to be reviewing a fragrance company that I have never used before. So if you're interested in seeing what fragrances I chose and how they worked out for my candles, then go ahead and join me in this video. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel started with candle making and we still talk a lot about candle making. All of the tips, the tricks, the tests, the ins and outs of starting the business, running the business, and growing the business. So if you are interested in following along on this journey and learning what you feel you need to learn in terms of starting and creating your own candle business, then go ahead and click subscribe, click the notification bell, hit like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. It definitely helps the algorithm for me so I can keep doing this. So anyway, let's get into this candle fragrance review. So today I'm reviewing Northwood, and they have things such as, wooden wicks, they have fragrances, they have waxes, they have some jars. They're not very appealing to me, but for those of you who like to make candles in like jam jars and jelly jars, if that's your thing, then they definitely have stuff like that. But today I wanted to review their fragrances. I've always used Makesy fragrances and I absolutely love them. But I just wanted to try a new fragrance house, and you all have asked, can you start trying new fragrance houses? So I don't know if Northwood is definitely considered a fragrance house, but it is a candle supply company. And so what I did was I picked out a bunch of fall fragrances because that's what's coming up. I am doing markets, and so the market that I'm doing this month, which is August, the market that I'm doing, I'm going to just have a lot of my summer fragrances. Here's a little bit of Avril Candle Co. at the Artisan Market. I had a really nice setup. I showcased some of my summer candles, some of my market exclusive candles. So these candles or scents are not offered on avrilcandleco.com. I did it especially for the market. I'm going to be launching some of these on my site, but nice overall. And then once I do the market in October, I will have all of my fall fragrances because it's pretty much fall at that point. Or is it? It's not necessarily fall. It's still, no, yes it is. Anyway. So now I gotta check it. I want to say fall starts, it's September 20th, I think. Let me see. I should know, but I don't keep up with all of those dates. When does fall start? Ooh, I was close. September 22nd. So yes, the market that I will be doing in October will absolutely be fall. So anyway, I picked a couple of fragrances. So this one, well, a lot. This one is macadamia and nutmeg. Now this one is on the sweeter side. Okay, it's very nutty, but people tend to like these sort of scents in the fall. It's cool. It's not really my jam when I pick out candles. I like more florals and not necessarily food sweet, but sweet and floral, I guess you could say. So that one's really sweet. And then we have Holiday Cookie Tray, which again is really sweet, but it's more subtle than the macadamia and nutmeg. So this one is a lighter scent, which I like. Oh, and keep in mind with these fragrances, if you're using soy wax, any sort of white wax, your wax is going to tint a little bit yellow because the fragrance is yellowish in tone for this one, and then this one a bit lighter because this one is a bit more clear. So there's nothing wrong with your candle. The wax just basically takes on the tint of the fragrance that you're using if you're using white wax. If you're coloring your wax, you don't have to worry about that issue, but don't be alarmed. Your customers will be fine. It's just the tint. This one's even darker, so keep that in mind. I also got cranberry macaroon. This one is really nice. I like this one. It smells so good. It really smells like Christmas. I don't get much macaroon in there, but I get a lot of cranberry, which is fine, and I like it. This one is gingerbread man. Oh yeah, this is more of a Christmas scent, but it smells like a gingerbread cookie. This one is sleigh ride. So sleigh ride smells sort of like balsam. It definitely smells like Christmas, of course, and I like it, but it does have a very strong balsam, like fir wreath type of scent. This is Snowy Mountain Cottage. This one almost smells like a cologne. I don't know. Snowy Mountain Cottage smells like a bit of a cologne. I don't know what a Snowy Mountain Cottage is supposed to smell like, but that's what that is. Did I get 2 reindeer games? Oh no. Sleigh Ride was the other one. I'm like, what did I have? Ooh. Sleigh Ride definitely smells like a fresh, no, this is Reindeer Games. It smells like a fresh cut Christmas tree. Twisted Peppermint. Ooh, yeah. Definitely smells like peppermint. I like it. Cabin Christmas. Oh, that smells really good. It smells really good. It's very light. It's very subtle, but it definitely gives you log cabin. Maple gingerbread cake. This one's sweet, but it's not overbearing like some of the the cookie based scents. This one's Fraser Fir. Again, it has more of that balsam, fresh cut Christmas tree kind of scent. This one's Silver Spruce and Peach. Not much peach, more silver spruce. Pine cones. Oh, this is actually really light. I expected it to smell like pine sol and very strong, but it's nice. I like that. Perfect Autumn. Oh, I love this. Perfect Autumn smells really, really good. This is my sister. Hold on a sec. Hello.
Hey, sis.
Hey, sis. Birthday girl. What's going on? So overall, I think that these Northwood has good fragrances. This was the Christmas fragrance sample pack, which is $79, and you get all of these fragrances for $79. Just to be able to test it out, smell everything, see if you like it. I'm looking here right now. They have a bunch of other ones too. They have fall fragrance sample packs, winter fragrance sample packs, kitchen and baking, and all of that stuff. So just pick the one that you feel like would work best for your business, things that you would like to test out. As I said, when I tested them in my candles, I had to use an 11 to 12% fragrance load in order to get the same hot throw that I would get with a 10% fragrance load using Makesy's fragrance oils. So I will say, in my opinion, Northwood has great fragrances. They all smell really good. Nothing stinks. I would just say that theirs may not be as high of a quality, or may not be as luxury as the Makesy fragrances. My dad always told me you get what you pay for, and these are not at that premium price, which is why you definitely will have to use more in your candles. If you've tested the Northwood fragrance oils before and you want to leave your opinion or comments on how they worked out for you, definitely comment below and let me know what you thought. But this is just my review, my opinion, my testing. I definitely recommend that you test on your own and get your own opinion on these things, and then just go from there. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and that will notify you for my next video when I push that out, because I'm going to be coming back with some more great candle making stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, loves.